A Databricks proof of concept can look successful in every single way. The pipeline runs smoothly, the dashboard loads instantly, the AI agent gives the exact answer you need. Then, someone in leadership asks, "What will this cost when we scale it to production?" And suddenly, nobody has a confident answer. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to BricksNotes. I'm Kriti. Today, we're unpacking Databricks Lakemeter, a newly open sourced cost estimation tool built to solve that exact problem before production costs become a shock. Let's be honest, most cost conversations happen way too late. A team builds a solution, deploys it, dials up the workload, and then simply waits for the bill. When costs inevitably spike, engineers spend days hunting down which SQL warehouse, Delta pipeline, or model endpoint caused the surge. That approach is entirely reactive. Lakemeter introduces a much smarter question earlier in the development cycle. If we operate this workload at expected production scale, what will it actually cost? Say your proof of concept processes a small dataset once a day for 10 users. Production will process 50 times more data, run hourly, support hundreds of users, and span multiple cloud regions. You can't just multiply your proof of concept bill by 50. Real production costs depend on a complex web of architectural variables: workload type, compute configuration, processing frequency, peak concurrency, cloud provider pricing, virtual machine costs, and enterprise discounts. Lakemeter consolidates all of these parameters into a single, structured estimate. Hosted directly as a Databricks app with built in single sign on, it lets your team create, compare, and export sizing models in one central location. Here are three features that make it essential for architecture planning. First, workload specific sizing. A SQL warehouse shouldn't be estimated the same way as a Delta Live Tables pipeline or an LLM model serving endpoint. Each compute pattern demands different inputs. Lakemeter provides tailored forms, so engineering teams can explicitly define runtimes, SLA targets, data volumes, query throughput, and resource scaling rules. Second, the built in AI assistant, powered by Databricks Foundation Model AP, is Lakemeter lets you describe a complex workload in plain language. You can literally type, "We need an hourly pipeline processing 2 terabytes of sales data across 3 regions with low latency requirements." And it translates that description into structured sizing parameters. Quick caveat here: AI recommendations are a baseline, not a guaranteed forecast. Real engineering judgment is still required to review, tweak, and validate those assumptions. Third, complete pricing transparency. Lakemeter doesn't give you a mysterious black box number. It reveals the full financial breakdown behind the estimate: specific SKU details, discount calculations, regional rate variations, and virtual machine pricing. You can export the entire breakdown directly to Excel for architecture reviews, budgeting discussions, and executive alignment. This transparency turns cost estimation into true architecture thinking. It forces you to ask why. Which specific component drives the largest expense? What happens if we run every 15 minutes instead of every hour? What if user concurrency doubles during peak hours? Can a different cluster setup deliver the same performance at a significantly lower cost? This connects directly to our previous episode, from token maxing to value maxing. The goal isn't just blindly cutting compute, DBus, or LLM tokens, it's understanding the business value generated per dollar spent. And in the agentic era, this mindset is non negotiable. An autonomous AI agent might query a warehouse, search a vector index, invoke LLMs, call external tools, and retry failed loops continuously. A design that seems cheap for one test run can explode across millions of automated agent calls. Cost must be architected into your system from day one. Keep in mind, Lakemeter is an open source Databricks Labs project hosted on Lakebase, not an SLA backed official product. Use it as a powerful early stage planning tool alongside real world load testing, performance benchmarking, and actual cloud billing. A proof of concept answers: can we build it? Production planning answers: can we operate it reliably and affordably? The best time to understand your Databricks costs isn't after you get the production bill, it's while you still have the freedom to redesign the system. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like, share it with your team, and subscribe to BricksNotes for more practical Databricks, data engineering, and AI architecture guides. Keep learning, keep building, and keep growing.